Hello my friend. Welcome to English Addaa. Before you skip this video, let me tell you one small truth. You don't need big grammar. You don't need difficult words. You only need daily life English. Let me tell you a short story. Every night, before sleeping, Alman thinks, tomorrow, I will speak English confidently. But next day, when someone speaks English in front of him, his heart beats fast. His mind becomes blank. His mouth stays closed. He feels bad. He feels weak. He feels angry with himself. One day, Alman made a promise. I will not run from English. I will listen slowly. I will speak slowly. Every single day. He started listening to daily routine sentences. Not fast. Not difficult. Just simple, real, human English. After some days, he started thinking in English. After some weeks, he started speaking without fear. Today, Alman is confident. And today, you are Alman. So don't rush. Don't skip. Don't think too much. Just listen. Repeat. And enjoy the process. Let's begin. Sun morning routine. I wake up early in the morning and feel fresh. I wake up early in the morning and feel fresh. I slowly open my eyes and stretch my body. I slowly open my eyes and stretch my body. I get out of bed and start my new day. I get out of bed and start my new day. I make my bed and keep my room clean. I make my bed and keep my room clean. I brush my teeth and wash my face with cold water. I brush my teeth and wash my face with cold water. I look into the mirror and smile at myself. I look into the mirror and smile at myself. I take a refreshing bath and feel relaxed. I take a refreshing bath and feel relaxed. I wear clean and comfortable clothes. I wear clean and comfortable clothes. I drink a glass of water to feel active. I drink a glass of water to feel active. I feel ready to start my day with positive energy. I feel ready to start my day with positive energy. School daytime routine. I eat my breakfast slowly and enjoy my food. I eat my breakfast slowly and enjoy my food. I check my phone for messages and notifications. I check my phone for messages and notifications. I leave my house and go to college or office. I leave my house and go to college or office. I walk, ride a bike, or take a bus to reach there. I walk, ride a bike, or take a bus to reach there. I see many people on the road and observe life. I see many people on the road and observe life. I reach my workplace and greet everyone politely. I reach my workplace and greet everyone politely. I start my work with focus and patience. I start my work with focus and patience. I listen carefully to my teacher or my boss. I listen carefully to my teacher or my boss. I ask questions when I do not understand something. I ask questions when I do not understand something. I try my best to do my work honestly. I try my best to do my work honestly. Afternoon routine. I take a short break and relax my mind. I take a short break and relax my mind. I eat my lunch and feel satisfied. I eat my lunch and feel satisfied. I talk with my friends and share small laughs. I talk with my friends and share small laughs. I feel a little tired but stay calm. I feel a little tired but stay calm. I drink water and take deep breaths. I drink water and take deep breaths. I return to my work with fresh energy. I return to my work with fresh energy. I complete my tasks one by one. I complete my tasks one by one. I check the time and plan my next work. I check the time and plan my next work. I feel proud when my work is done. I feel proud when my work is done. I wait for the evening peacefully. I wait for the evening peacefully. Sunset evening routine. I return home in the evening feeling relaxed. I return home in the evening feeling relaxed. I wash my hands and face after coming home. I wash my hands and face after coming home. I change my clothes and feel comfortable. I change my clothes and feel comfortable. I sit quietly and rest my body. I sit quietly and rest my body. I go for a short walk to feel fresh. I go for a short walk to feel fresh. I watch the sky and feel calm inside. I watch the sky and feel calm inside. I talk with my family and feel connected. I talk with my family and feel connected. I share my day with them. I share my day with them. I eat light snacks and enjoy the moment. I eat light snacks and enjoy the moment. I feel happy to be at home. I feel happy to be at home. Night routine. I eat dinner slowly with my family. I eat dinner slowly with my family. I talk less and enjoy peace at night. I talk less and enjoy peace at night. I think about my whole day. I think about my whole day. I plan what I will do tomorrow. I plan what I will do tomorrow. I clean my room and arrange my things. I clean my room and arrange my things. I brush my teeth and feel fresh again. I brush my teeth and feel fresh again. I lie down on my bed comfortably. I lie down on my bed comfortably. I close my eyes and relax my body. I close my eyes and relax my body. I feel thankful for everything I have. I feel thankful for everything I have. I sleep peacefully and dream of a better tomorrow. I sleep peacefully and dream of a better tomorrow. If you listen to this every day, your English will change. Slowly. Naturally. Confidently. This is English Addaa. Your place to learn English without fear. See you in the next episode. Crescent Moon Spark.